Somalia clinched a significant debt relief deal with global lenders in December last year. The International Monetary Fund and the World Bank approved $4.5 billion debt write-off after Mogadishu completed years of financial reforms. The private sector in the country now sees an opportunity for improved foreign direct investments. Somali Association for Information Technology brings together more than 90% of the country's tech workforce. It is working to bridge the gap by connecting local companies with potential foreign investors.
We are a member of the World IT Service Alliance, WITSA. We are also a member of Africa ICT Union and Arab ICT Union. So what we do is to showcase the local products, the local tech portfolio that we have. We nominate local companies to international awards so that they can be noticed, so that they can actually attract investors. So one of the reasons that we believe this debt relief hugely impacts our work is when we nominate our local companies to take part of international awards, we don't want the investors to have challenges in investing locally. So this will be actually a good contribution to that activity, and it gives the appetite for for international investors.
Securing funding for key infrastructures is a vital priority for the Somali government. However, local entrepreneurs also believe empowering and promoting local products will contribute significantly to the Horn of African nations' economic growth.
We are also encouraging all local stakeholders, including the development partners, including the government, to encourage the local software solution production capacity so that we can have foreign investment because Somalia right now may have challenges in other areas, in other sectors, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of roads, ports, all these other things. They may have a high threshold for investment. However, when it comes to technology, it's our belief that it's the easiest way, the fastest route that Somalia can take to at least get sufficient investment.
Imports of building materials has surged during the past months, an indication of demand for more housing, buoyed by improved security. The private sector is already eyeing increased opportunities in the construction sector, which has seen a surge in investments.
We have seen an increase in the construction material imports. There are domestic service providers, there are domestic material producers, but the most significant construction material is still imported. We call upon foreign direct investors and also the Somali private sector to explore investing in the construction materials such as cement, paints, and all other related construction materials. Some of them can be made locally, others are very difficult to manufacture them locally. We also call upon foreign investors to invest in the Somalia's energy sector to reduce power access and to make power in the entire country unaffordable so that we can attract meaningful industries that can manufacture construction-related items.
The revenue generation at key gateways of the country, including Mogadishu Port, has increased 30% during the past year, a positive step for the economic recovery following reforms linked to debt relief process. Mohamed Kahi, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.